Hello, 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 guys. How you doing? How you doing? I hope that you having a nice weekend. That everything is great. Everything is perfect. This is Master Kelvin here with El Dorado FX. As usual, we're just gonna go simply straightforward through gold, and then we're gonna move to Bitcoin a little bit. So, as you know, this is not financial advice. It is just our suggestion and what can happen in the market. So let's pay attention to a couple of details today. Today, as we know, if you go to the monthly time frame, most likely, if you go to the monthly time frame, most likely you're gonna find that we're still bullish on the monthly time frame. But it's not denied that gold dropped down last week. It was a drop of more than 1,000 pips, meaning that we see certain control from the bears now. So what we're gonna do is this. This is the our analysis. So we see a couple of things that as the week progresses. So if you follow us every day in our updates, you will notice that we're gonna be adapting to the market because that's what we do. So remember last week we mentioned as a this price is a key price 2,834. So it was in the end it was the price to enter buys. We tried buys, but unfortunately they were taken and break even. So the plan for this week, if goal is to remain bullish, especially after some political news that they are around. So let's have a look. So goal possible targets is if the bulls are back in the game, would be 2,890, 2,920, and 2,970, creating a new all-time high. So that is our prediction for the week. And we have to remember also that the new monthly candle is opening. We also have to remember that we got NFP this week. So what is NFP? If you go to our channel, YouTube, we have a video explaining very properly what is NFP there. So you know NFP is the biggest news that there is in the month, and it usually give us a lot of direction in the market and show us the way. Okay, so we have this demand zone that we probably gonna be hitting in case that gold decided to come down, that we're gonna be observing very closely. But it's a massive one between 2,734 to 2,807. So meaning in this area, we're gonna try to see if there's gonna be any buys opportunities. We have the previous monthly low. In case that fail, to be taken, that's going to be a good sign for us that gold might push up to the upside. So very important to pay attention to this level. So check it properly. That if it doesn't get taken, so then we're gonna be still on the game. So especially if we go remain above 2,790, so 2,771 will be protected, which is the previous monthly low. And also another possibility is that gold decide to go and fill up the FU between monthly FU between 2,773 and 2,725. Okay, so very important to pay attention to these prices, to this price action, and see if we have that confirmation that is giving us confirmation that the bulls are still in the game and the price will get pushing up after a massive liquidity taken. So let's have a look. One other confirmation that we're gonna be looking for if the price go reach 2,864 and close above very heavily. That will take us then to the supply zone between 2,891 and 2,922. Meaning in this area we're gonna be looking for sales. Okay, so if it goes is to fall, we know that the targets will be 2,820, 2,790, and 2,730, taking us all the way down here. But if it is to fly, we know the targets, right? That's the risk. We're not gonna be giving any setups because usually Monday I take it to observe the market, see the move that it does, and then is allow us to make better decisions on setup. It's a new week, it's a new sheet, and then we want to go with proper plan to be able to take setups. So for now, we're not going to suggest any setup. Just keep an eye on these areas in these prices, check for confirmations, and go for it. Remember, proper risk management is what is keep you alive in these markets. So that's what we wanted to do always. So something else that we're going to show you guys is the key prices that we going to be suggesting as well to look up. So for those that they don't like the songs, complicated things, we have this segment of this session of the analysis that we show you guys. For example, again, if we revisit this area, this 2A45, we're gonna try to look for confirmations for buy here. And then if it goes deeper at 220, 2,824, we're gonna be checking for buys as well. Something else that we're gonna do is also check for sales because we have a big move to the big move to the downside, and mostly these prices they can be a scalping. They can give you even more pips than scalping, but you just need to make sure that you're taking the right decision and you check confirmations. So sales confirmation will be as well to find in 2,863, 2,878, 2,892, and 2,911. Those are key prices that I suggest to everyone to look up. So please try to check for those confirmations, and probably you're gonna find some pips in there. So just follow the flow, follow your confirmations, and just go for it. Bitcoin over the weekend on Saturday, we sent an analysis in our Telegram channel, and this analysis in certain level was correct, but unfortunately, it was news coming out, and Trump talked about the support on Bitcoin. So as a result, Bitcoin flew drastically. And technically speaking, we see that 4 hours inverted head and shoulder that was formed. And then as a result, the price in somehow we say that it will go down to this area and flew, but it decided to fly and then breach this really good sell zone. At the moment, it's in another nice area to sell and remaining below the second trend line, which is very stronger than the one that is here. So let's see what happened. But most likely Bitcoin is going to use this area probably as a support now. So 87,000 could be an area that can be used between 88,000 and 87,000. It can be used as a support and the price fly. Let's see what's going to happen. But that's what I think it can happen on Bitcoin. So at the moment, this is a big area to tackle. 73,000 would be a very strong low. But if now the bulls are back, we also can see 100,000 again. But as long as the price remain below 96,000, and most likely we probably see another correction down. But for now, let's see what happens. It looks like the move didn't break a serious structure. So if we break this structure here, then the thing is everything will be more serious, and then we will see Bitcoin flying even more, or just take liquidity and drop more. But for now, I suggest that the focus will be trying to look for sales below 96,000. And yeah, at the moment we have a bounce, a very big bounce from 95,000, which is very, very crazy. So all the best in the markets, guys. And before we go, remember that we always like to show you what is been happening, and also recommend to you that you subscribe to our Telegram channel for free. It's in the video, guys. It's here. So you can receive daily a free 1 to 2 signals. It's amazing, guys. So almost no one is providing that. We provide 1 to 2 signals per day in our free Telegram channel, El Dorado Effects free. It's free for you. Okay? So just join and check it out. That would be great if you can do it. So talking about results, we're gonna just go a little bit of our monthly results, and we're gonna go very quickly and show you. So this is our numbers for the past month. Many pips taken. So we took 18 itself in the whole month, but we basically managed to make more than 7,000 pips, which is very, very good. We took 120 signals and 96 were wins. So our win rate for the month was 80 plus So we basically ask you, come and join us, join our wave, and we can make it together. Anyways, guys, all the best for you in this coming week. Remember, it's NFP once again, and we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna try to trade safe. We're gonna try to lower our risk. We recommend that, but most of all, always proper risk management. See you guys. Take care and see you next time. Speak to you soon. Master Calvin, El Dorado Effects, analyzing with El Dorado Effects. Bye bye.